Good morning, Saints. What we're going to do today is talk a little bit about course recommendations. It is that time of year again where we need to figure out our best guess at this time what course you want to recommend them for the 2020-2021 school year. I know that's a bit shocking to think about at this point, but we need to give our best guess. We will be giving you this year a review form at the end of January and again another review form at the end of April to make any adjustments you've seen as the year progresses. Again, right now we are going to do our best guess to figure out what courses the kids should be involved with next year. I'm going to use Heather's math class at this point to show you the process where you can enter your course recommendations. And again, all recommendations need to be done by the end of this semester before you leave for Christmas break. Thanks, Heather, for letting me use your gradebook. So what you're going to need to do is go into your gradebook. And once you get into your gradebook, you're going to go over here to the Other Access. And you're going to go down to the Recommendations. You'll notice all your students here, and we'll review that in a minute. But you're going to go over here to Modify for Entire Class. What will come up are all the courses that they can take next year, and it also lists the current course that they're currently in this school year as the top. You really won't need to pay much attention to this one. All right. What you'll need to do is click on a course you're recommending for and say Add. Now what I would do is unselect all students just so you know what's going on here. And you may want to have a roster with you so you can kind of check off what you're recommending for. But you can go through and click all the different names that you would like to recommend for college algebra. Once you click on all the names, and I'm just going to go back and click only on one right now. Once you click on that name, you need to click Save. And Elias has been recommended for college algebra. Now, to recommend other students for different courses, you need to go for Modify Entire Class again. And this time, let's check Honors Pre-Calculus. Again, unselect all students and then click on all the students you want to recommend for Honors Pre-Calculus. Notice, though, that you will not have any record of what you previously recommended for when I did the college algebra. And again, click Save, which we're not going to do at this point. And you keep doing that until you have a recommendation for every student listed. Unless they're seniors, then you don't have to do that. What you need to make sure, if you're not sure if you recommended for a kid, here's what you can do. Click on the arrow of the student, and it says Your Recommendations. And that's the notice here. My college algebra recommendation for him is listed right here. If you would like to change that, you can click Remove, Delete, Add Course Recommendation for this one individual student, and you can go back and enter it in and say like, oh, I wanted him in Algebra 3, not college algebra, and then you can hit Save. And what will then come up is his new recommendation. You can check this for every student as you go down the arrow because, again, you need to have something listed under course recommendations for my recommendations for every student that is a freshman, sophomore, or junior. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck at the end of the school year.